Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope y'all having a happy holidays over and a happy new year is on. So this is be the first video that I've made for 2025. And I am blessed, you are blessed, and everyone is blessed. And I will be reading my scripture right now. I will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on thee. Isaiah 26:3. He shall deliver thee from the snares of the fowler. Psalm 91:3. Thank you for the scriptures, and I hope they will help someone to go that you may go on and have a blessed day today. Okay, I'm gonna make tonight. I'll be making chicken noodle soup, and I'm starting with chicken broth. Okay, and I have put in there about 2 cups of chicken broth, and I have 2.5 cups of egg noodles that I'll be pouring in right now. It's already starting to boil, so.
And y'all can put any kind of noodles in there that you want to.
Okay. And that's my egg noodles that I have put in, so. Okay, I'm going to add just, I have about 2 cups of broth in here, but I have about 2.5 cups of egg noodles also. I'm going to add just a little bit more to fill it up. So that would probably be about 2.5 cups of broth that I had left in here. Okay. And into that, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of my onions and celery in here also. This is onion, bell peppers cut up already. So. I didn't fry them. I'm just going to kind of let them saute in their own self. Okay. Okay, so. Okay, I have a cup on high, so I'm going to let them be cooking. Well, that's me. That's not on high. I'm going to put it on high so it can start to boil. And I'm putting a 16-ounce bottle of water in, also with the 2.5 cups of broth I have in there also. So it should start to get into a good boil in just a little bit. Okay. This is my onion powder. And garlic powder. And I also have white pepper here. Okay. And everything is in here. But I'm putting butter in mine, so it's your choice, whatever you prefer doing. put 2 tablespoons of butter. If it needs more after it gets done, I'll find out. And you can put rotisserie chicken, but I had boiled this chicken breast earlier. And so I'm just cutting it up, and I'm not using rotisserie chicken tonight, so I'm gonna drop this off in there so it can help season the.
Ooh, y'all, this smells so good.
I'm adding about another half cup of chicken breast to it also. Okay.
Y'all, we always say add your own seasoning, and we just show them what we do.
A tablespoon of bouillon in it, so you can see this. I'm not putting a heaping, just about a regular tablespoonful in there, so, okay. I'm putting a little bit of complete in there also.
Yeah, y'all, these ingredients that she used.
All right, I'm using a can of carrots. I have fresh ones, but I just want to use the can tonight, so I just kind of chopped them up a little bit. Some of them still may be whole. This is going to be pasting down here. It's just about ready in about another 5 or 10 minutes. It should be okay. It has a very good flavor to it also.
Yeah, it smells so good.
All right. I'm getting ready to put the soup into a bowl. So this is a homemade chicken noodle soup. I'll put the bowl up. I said I don't want to waste everywhere. Have lots of chicken in it. Okay, this is my final presentation of my chicken noodle soup. So I know it's very good. So I'm going to be tasting it for you guys. Okay. Really, I needed the soup. I mean I needed the broth more than I need the soup because they still have a little bit of congestion, not a lot. Yes, it's really good. When I tell you good, it's very, very good.
Yeah, I wish I could smell it. It got the whole kitchen smelling so good.
So this is good. I hope you all would try it because right now, the winter months is going to bring in a lot of colds and stuff. And the chicken noodle soup is the best thing for you. I suggest that you put a lot of black pepper or white pepper or some kind of pepper in it because that helps cut the flame. Because I'm using the broth, and the broth have a little bit of salt in it. So I'm going to be using, as long as it's hot when you put it down, it does cut into your chest, and you can feel it going down. So thank you all so much, and I hope you all will try this. This is homemade chicken noodle soup from Miss Lena's Kitchen, 2025. The first thing that I've made this year for my subscribers, for all the new ones who come in. I appreciate you guys so much, and I love you all. The old ones, the members, and everybody have been a great support for me for this year. I'm now about 100 away from 43,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, y'all. God bless each and every one of y'all, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, you all. Miss Nina's Kitchen. Be blessed, everyone. Good night. Good day. Good day, afternoon.